This is my Apple IIc computer. I had this computer, bought it in, actually my parents bought it in 1986. And it still works, surprisingly. So I'll demonstrate. The game I'm running is Battletech. Unfortunately, I can't run the game because I don't have a empty low density floppy disk. But it does indeed run, and this is the disk. That's the original Battletech disk. And this is the box for Battletech, the original Battletech for Apple II. I'm surprised that this thing still works after all these years. Okay, I'm going to start without game. Just go to Apple Pro DOS. Okay. C10 print. Delete doesn't. That's funny. Not used to this. Been a while since I used it. Gen print. Yeah, you could use you could actually program this thing if you know Apple Basic. And to get the way I got to that screen was I pressed Apple Control Reset. Apple Control Reset to get there. Yeah, it still works. Amazing, huh? I don't remember Basic, but I guess if I look at some stuff about it, I can find out. I mean, it's still in good condition if you look at it. And the good thing about it is it uses standard video jack, which you can use to connect it to a regular television, and it could work on a regular modern television like this. Let's check the back side of it. That's the joystick port, the one on the right there. Right there, that's joystick port. Get a better view. That's the joystick port. That's the modem port. That's for the monitor. And that's for a extra external floppy disk drive. It could be a 5.25 or a 3.5 inch floppy disk drive. And that port's for the printer. That's the power, and that's a switch to turn it on and off. So the O part is to turn it off, and that vertical line is to turn it on. So I'm gonna turn it off right now. So let's see. It has a carry handle also. You could actually carry this just like that. When it first came out, it cost about $1,200 to $1,500 back in 85 or 86, 1985 or 1986. Okay, other than that, I can't believe it lasted so long, because electronics these days, they don't last long at all. Laptop would probably last like maybe anywhere from 1 to 3 years. But these old computers, most of them are still, most of them would still work, even if they've been in storage for so long. Okay, thanks for watching.